Hi! I believe most people watching this video already understand English. The problem is, they can't speak English with other people. Just spend 10 minutes a day practicing shadowing, and you'll finally feel ready to speak English in real life. Now, let's start with our first conversation.
Here's how today's lesson works. You'll hear a real conversation. Listen carefully the first time. Then, when it's your turn, say the sentence out loud with me. If you make a mistake, don't stop. Just keep speaking. Every sentence you say is one step closer to speaking English naturally. Try to copy my pronunciation. Let's start. I got on the wrong bus. Now I was far from downtown.
This bus isn't going downtown.
Oh. I think I took the wrong bus. 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 I think I took the wrong bus.
That's okay. Get off at the next stop.
Where should I go from there?
Walk across the street and take bus 8.
Will bus 8 take me downtown? 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 Will bus 8 take me downtown?
Yes. Just watch the number this time.
You're right. I need to slow down and check. 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 I need to slow down and check.
Exactly. You'll get there.
Quick question. Question 1. Which bus should Annie take next? A. Bus 6. B. Bus 8. C. Bus 12. D. Bus 20. The correct answer is B. Bus 8. The driver tells Annie to take bus 8 to downtown. I reached downtown and checked my bag. My phone was gone.
Are you looking for something?
Yes. I can't find my phone. 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 I can't find my phone.
Where did you use it last?
I used it on the bus a few minutes ago. I used it on the bus a few minutes ago. I used it on the bus a few minutes ago. I used it on the bus a few minutes ago. I used it on the bus a few minutes ago. I used it on the bus a few minutes ago.
You should call the bus office.
That's a good idea. Can you help me find it? 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 Can you help me find it?
Sure. I can call them now.
Thank you. I really hope someone found it.
Let's call before we worry.
Quick question. Question 2. Where did Annie last use her phone? A. At the shop. B. At home. C. On the bus. D. At work. The correct answer is C. On the bus. Annie said she used her phone on the bus a few minutes earlier. I found my phone and ran to work. Then my manager stopped me.
The meeting starts in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? I thought we had 30. 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 I thought we had 30.
The time changed this morning.
Okay. I can still get ready. 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 I can still get ready.
Good. You only need the first 3 slides.
That helps. I'll focus on those first. 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 I'll focus on those first.
Exactly. Don't worry about the rest yet.
Right. One thing at a time.
That's the best way to handle it.
Quick question. Question 3. How much time did Annie have before the meeting? A. 5 minutes. B. 10 minutes. C. 20 minutes. D. 30 minutes. The correct answer is B. 10 minutes. The manager tells Annie that the meeting starts in 10 minutes. After the meeting, I went out for lunch. Then I saw my wallet was missing.
Are you ready to pay?
I am. But I can't find my wallet. 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 I can't find my wallet.
Check your bag again. Maybe it's inside.
Wait. I remember something.
What is it?
I left it on my desk at work. 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 I left it on my desk at work.
Can someone bring it to you?
Yes. I'll call my coworker now. 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 I'll call my coworker now.
No rush. Your food can wait here.
Quick question. Question 4. Where was Annie's wallet? A. On her desk at work. B. On the bus. C. In her car. D. At home. The correct answer is A. On her desk at work. Annie suddenly remembers that she left her wallet on her desk. That evening, I finally got home. A package was waiting outside.
I think this package is yours.
Oh. Yes. I was waiting for it. 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 I was waiting for it.
The driver left it at my door.
That explains why I couldn't find it. 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 That explains why I couldn't find it.
I checked the name before opening the door.
Thanks for bringing it over.
No problem. At least we found it.
Today has been full of surprises. 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 Today has been full of surprises.
but you made it home.
Today, Annie faced problems, stayed calm, and kept speaking. She did not wait for perfect English. She used simple words and moved forward. That's real confidence. Keep speaking, keep trying, and I'll see you on day 4.
Congratulations on finishing today's practice. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. Don't forget to drop your country flag in the comments below and subscribe so we can practice together tomorrow. See you in the next lesson.